October, going for Musky. We got Miles Pantier over here. We got have Curtis's name in here. This is impossible. 10-inch jig. Hopefully it's gonna produce today.
We got one on the musky bait. On the jab. Got one. I don't know what it is. I think we just keep trolling, eh?
Maybe trying to go, I don't know.
I'm scared.
I'm too scared to reel now.
You got 50-pound test, man. You just keep reeling in. Yeah. Should we put her in neutral now? I'm gonna put it in neutral. Just neutral. I'm not gonna turn it off.
Coming up. It's coming up.
Just please don't be a jack.
I have a bad feeling about this, man.
I don't know, man. It was 30 feet of water.
Oh yeah, that's a muskie.
Dude.
Get the clips,
Ooh, musky.
Balaga morning report. Balaga morning report. We had a biggin on. It spooled my line, and it got off. We weren't in time. Didn't catch it in time. But it's all a learning experience. First time out. Not feeling so good, but you know, can always make you feel better with the biggin. It's coming back to you.
You're up. Ooh, that's a nice one. First ski. Anything to say about it? Stoked?
Pretty pumped?
There you
Let's go for a bigger one.
Yeah, man.
I'll get a picture of mine.
I'm saying 38.
I think around the same as mine.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Sounds done.